Dude.
Hey, Dad, it's steaming. It's steaming.
It's just the, Ethan.
Listen, guys.
It's the headers.
I'm almost wondering if we got the wrong pads in here. It's sketchy on the throttle because it's stuck now. If you get stuck while I'm on the track, it could kill you.
Wait, what happened?
The throttle cable's ruined. Yeah.
So we gotta fix that?
Yeah. It's not that hard to fix, but Nathan, look at my throttle. The one that got me was Tanner got ahead of me. I took all my tear offs off, and then I couldn't see it. He got ahead of me, and then in the Argon, he just went in so deep, like spun out, and it took a bunch of guys. And I'm like, please, no, kid. Got him, but
That's all you got left to do on this thing.
no, that's throttle cable. No, it's full throttle. Sus.
So it doesn't sound that great?
No.
Any idea of what it could be?
Jetting. And timing. Alright, yeah, back him out this little pocket here. Get the hood on.